All right, now we're going to go ahead and do a little cut on a Model A radiator cover. It was off an old farm tractor, the conversion from the Model A to a tractor. And we're going to go ahead and just make a cut in here. I'm going to weld it back up again just to show you how to do some sheet metal restoration work. We've done a few cuts and welds on this piece already. We're going to go ahead and show you again. I'm going to use the undercutter, 4 pounds of oxygen and acetylene, 0 on the bottom, number 1, or 0.5 on top, 0 on the bottom. Here's my oxygen trigger. I'll be putting out 4 pounds of oxygen when I set this up to run. So that's all we need. This again is good for 10 thousandths to 1/8 of an inch. We're doing about some 0.45, maybe 0.60 on the thickness here. Let's go ahead and light this up and show you a cut. I've turned a little bit of both gases on to keep the soot from flying in the air. But we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you a cut across here. And we're going to go right in and preheat and slide it right across the panel. She'll weld right, heat right up. All right, now let's go ahead and let's weld this right up.